You're working way too hard. Why don't you step out into the real world?
Sorry, maybe later. Life can be hard. Deadlines to meet, meetings to attend to, materials to study, stress piles up and it can all be too much. Sometimes the best solution is to simply step aside and let yourself be free. It is so easy to lose sight of our dreams and let our passions burn out. Working hard is always good. However, taking a break from the busy world and finding or pursuing a passion is crucial for everyone. So go out there and find what you love.